Well, hello again, everybody, and welcome back for today's puzzle. And again, we'll just be continuing along. Today, looks like we're doing puzzle number 26. All right, let's start with this box here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We have a 7 here and a 9 here, so this is our 5. We've got a 9 there, so this is our 7, this is our 9. Let's go ahead and finish this row. Looks like we're missing an 8. And let's see. Can work on this column, so we're missing a 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so this could be a 5 or a 6. And a 2 here, so 5 or 6, and that means this has to be our 2. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do this box. We're missing a 1, 5, 6, and 8. We have a 6 here, so 1 up, and a 5 and an 8 there, so this has to be our 1. And this could be 5 or 8, and this could be 5, 6, or 8. Let's do this column next. We're missing a 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this could be any of them. 3, 5, 7, 9. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5, or 9. We've got a 3 and a 9 here, so 5 or 7, and no help here. So 3, 5, 7, or 9. Let's do this column. Looks like we're missing a 3, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3 or 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3 or 8. And no help here, so 3, 7, or 8. If we do this column, looks like we're missing a 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 6 here, so 2 or 5. We've got a 5 here and the 6 here, so 2 or 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here. Oh, and a 4 there. Oh, nope, we weren't missing a 4, were we? What were we missing again? A 2, 5, 6, and 8. So we've got a 2 and an 8, so 5 or 6. And a 2 here, so 5, 6, or 8. All right, we can do this column. We're missing a 1, 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here and a 4 and a 1 here. So that's our 3. We've got a 1 and a 5 here, so that's our 4. A 1 here, so this is our 5, and this is our 1. Let's see if any of that helps us out. Doesn't look like it. Let's do this box here. We're missing a 3, 6, and 8. And we've got an 8 here, so 3 or 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3 or 8, and a 6 here, so 3 or 8. So that means this is the only place our 6 can be. We can work on this box. We're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and a 9, so 6 or 7. This one we've got a 9, So 3, 6, 7. And we've got no help here, so 3, 6, 7, 9. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7, 9. Let's look at this box. We're missing a 2, a 4, a 7, and a 9. We've got a 2 and a 7 and a 4 here. So this must be our 9. And again, with that 2 and 7, this has to be our 4. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And that means with our 7 and 9 here, this has to be our 3. So we can get rid of this 3 here and this 3 here. That didn't help us there or there. All right. So let's work on this row. We're missing a 2, a 3, a 7, and 8. So we got 2, 3, and 8. So this must be our 7. And then again with our 8 here, that means this could be 2 or 3. Let's do this row. Missing a 3, 6, 7, 8. We've got a 3 and a 7 here, so 6 or 8. And this 3 here still helps, so 6, 7, or 8. This one's getting messy again, guys. Let's do this row. We're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and an 8 here, so this could be a 5 or a 9. What to do next? Let's do this box. So we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 2, 3, 5. We've got a 2 and a 3 here. So 5 or 9. If we finish this row, we're missing, looks like 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 5, 7. Let's do this column. So we're missing the 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. We've got a 9 here. So 1, 5, 6, or 8. And if we look here, there's a 1 here. There's nowhere else in this row for the 1 to be, so that must be our 1. That doesn't really help us out too much. If we finish out this box, we're missing 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here and a 4 here. So 5, 7, 8. All right, so now we need to dig in here. Looks like the only place in this column our 9 can be is here. And we forgot to get rid of this 3 here, and so we can get rid of this 9 here. Look here, the 2 can be there, 3, 5, 7, 9. We look here, those are all covered. Those are all covered. Okay, so here it looks like this is the only place our 4 can be. That didn't help us out too much. But it looks like this is the only place our 3 can be now. And that gives us a boost because this has to be our 8 and our 7. Let's go through and correct for all of that. So this, if the 8 is here, this has to be our 2. And this has to be our 3, which makes this our 8. And if the 2 is there, this is our 3. And then we can get rid of this 7 here. And this 3 here. Right. And if this 2 is here, this is our 5, which means this has to be our 9, and this our 3, which makes this a 5 and a 9. And so what are we missing in this box still? Just the 2. And that means this 5 is done. Let's see what else. So if we look at this column, this is our only place for a 6. That makes this an 8. This is 7, 6, 5, 7. So if that 8 is there, this is our 6, our 5, and our 8, which means this has to be our 7. And this has to be our 5. Up, and we've messed it up. See, when it gets that messy, it goes bad pretty quick. So now suddenly I've got 2 5s in this column, so that can't be right. All right, that's how it goes sometimes, right? So that was puzzle number 26. Again, like, subscribe, share this with someone else you think might enjoy the content. It really does help the channel out. And we will see you tomorrow with our next puzzle. Have a good day, everybody.